What's up, my sugies?
That's not what I say. Why are you always laughing at me? And why is this part of my hair straight? What's up, my... What's up, my Shookies? Ashley here, and in today's video I am going to be doing a DIY project, and that is an at-home tie-dye loungewear set. It is going to be very unconventional, and it is something that I've been working on for a few weeks now. So if you are interested in seeing how to tie-dye some loungewear, then just keep watching. Alright, before we get into the video, I wanted to just kind of disclose and discuss the items I was able to get in order to do this. Didn't know it was obsolete finding white sweatsuits, white anything, but it is. So I'm going to go through what it is I got, how I got it, and so on and so forth. You can't be burping in the background.
Oh, sorry.
Did it not even dawn on you that that happened? So man, back to the video. I was able to purchase long sleeve shirts, sweatshirts, and joggers and leggings. So 2 tops and 2 bottoms. The long sleeve shirts were by the brand, I believe it's Gildan? You know which one I'm talking about. So they were plain white long sleeve shirts, and I happened to find them from Joanne Fabrics. Albeit I waited an hour and a half in line outside with my mask on in order to get them, which is real serious loyalty. I was able to get them, and not at a bad price either. So make sure you look up their coupons, make sure you look up their app, because that helps a lot. And then their sweatshirts, same thing, same brand, both in the size large. Now, the white leggings and the white joggers, and the reason I say that in parentheses is because that's all that they are. They're not sweatpants. I don't know why people, that's a whole nother story. The leggings are from Amazon. I'll link those down below as well for you. And they are white. They are cotton. They're not super high waist, but they're not low rise. So they're right in the middle. I did size up in them because, you know, when they're from an off brand, we know we need to size up. As well as the joggers, I did size up in them as well, and I got them from Sears. So now we can go ahead and get into the video. First things first, we're gonna put on our amazing leopard gloves. And I have my hot water here. I put about 2 cups into the microwave to warm it up, and a teaspoon of Dawn. For me, I got the Rit Dye in the color Taupe, and I will insert a picture of my inspiration. So I wanted blush pink. So in order to get that, I mixed Rose Quartz, Camel, and Tan. So I would say 2/3 Rose Quartz, 1/3 Camel, and 1/3 Tan. All right, you guys, here's the first set. I'm so excited. This was a serious labor of love. Anyone that says this is a wham bam thank you ma'am, I don't know, either they're a magician or this is freaking unreal. I know it is not a typical tie-dye. I know it's different. Some people probably will think, well, what the hell did you even do that for? You could have just dunked it in. But I love the different layers and levels, and I love the shade of this. Also, I know some people might not like it, but these pants or joggers were 100% cotton, whereas the top was cotton and I believe polyester or nylon blend. And it didn't come out the same exact color, but I like that. I also love that nothing shrunk. I was super afraid that these pieces would shrink and, you know, fit a baby and not be able to fit me anymore, but they really didn't. Even these joggers, I mean, I washed and dried them a couple times and they're perfect. They're totally fine. No issues whatsoever. I also like these because they are high-waisted. So if you wanted to do a crop top, a shirt, any of that, you know, tie it up, be cute and young, you know, you totally can do that. I personally, you know, I love the big baggy look. So this works perfect for me, but this really, I mean, it exceeded my expectations. I really do. I love it. All right, you guys, this is the second set, and this is the Rose Quartz color. And this came out way more Rose Quartz than any tan or caramel I added into it. Again, I am no expert at this. I cannot explain to you why, but just know if you're gonna do Rose Quartz, it's going to come out this color. If you mix in caramel and tan, you know, you might get a tinge here or there, but it is going to come Rose Quartz. I'm not mad at it. I like it. I think it's adorable, but just know, for some reason also this top came out a lot lighter and more monochromatic than the leggings. As you can see, there's a lot more dimension and color. And again, I'm not mad at that. Just, you know, a fact, it is what it is. Learning lesson for next time. I did get the leggings a different place than the top, but the top was 100% cotton, so I'm not sure about that. Any ideas, feel free to leave them in the comments below. But these leggings, for real, like just regular leggings, like in regular colors, I love them. I'd say they're like a mid-rise. They're not super high-waisted, but still very nice and very comfortable. I may even get them in another color and just size up to a large just to get them, you know, a little bit bigger, but super cute. I love the way this came out. Again, nothing shrunk. That is like a super shocker for me. I cannot believe that nothing shrunk to the point that I couldn't wear it anymore, because I was deathly concerned about that. Now I have 2 new loungewear sets. All right, you guys, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did want to give you a few tips and tricks just as an overall kind of recap for myself and you guys if you are looking to do this yourself. First tip is leave overnight to soak. I know some people say you can just leave it an hour or so, but I feel like leaving it overnight to soak is probably a better idea. That way it can really soak into the fibers and get the optimum color that you're looking for. The next is to make the water hot. When I read the bottle and did some research, I found that this was extremely important because that's actually what turns the dye into the color that it is. So if you take off the cap and look at it, some of mine just looked black until you put it in the hot water, and then it kind of activates the color. I personally use my microwave. They also suggested on one of the blogs that I read that you could use stovetop to boil the water and make it really hot. The next tip is to make sure when you are done with them and you're putting them in the wash that you do them separate and that you wash them in cold water. And the last tip is to make sure you research when you are buying these things that they are cotton, or at most a high cotton blend. Like I said, with that sweatshirt in the taupe color, that was a polyester, because I looked at the tag, and cotton blend, and it still works. It takes a lot longer. I left it on longer than I did the pants because the pants were 100% cotton. So make sure that you're checking the tags and that you're using and utilizing items that are mostly cotton, because it's just going to make the process that much easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.